In here, we can see the managing director, MD, is the authority of the lower level hierarchy in the organization structure diagram. The head from different departments such as production and marketing may pass on the control and authority to lower ranked staff, but they are still accountable for the staff's action, which is known as delegation. This diagram also shows a decentralized structure, as major responsibility and power to make decisions is likely to be delegated to branches. This company may be outsourcing as well, as some of their non-core activity may be carried out by external party. And if this outsourcing involves relocating business function overseas, it will be known as offshoring. Department heads also need to empower their staff, allowing them to have the authority to be in charge of their own jobs, as sometimes the head may have too much workload. Furthermore, if the business suffers from a downturn, they may choose to perform downsizing in order to reduce the size of workforce at all staffing levels to cut costs. Lastly, the company may be running a bureaucracy, as they are likely to require execution of tasks to be governed by official administrative and formal rules. To understand the following diagram, we have to know level of hierarchy measures the level between the CEO and the production operative. Diagram on the left shows a tall hierarchy, which relates to a tall organization, showing many layers of hierarchy. In this case, managers have a level span of control, meaning the number of subordinates that are controlled by the manager is small, while on the right, it shows the level of hierarchy structure of a flat organization, meaning with less layer of hierarchy, and in comparison, manager will have a wider span of control. To change from a tall organization to a wide organization, the company may choose to delayering, which is to remove one or more level of hierarchy. This two diagram again shows organization structure. On the top diagram, let's imagine the top person is the CEO. The two person in the middle layer could be the manager. Their responsibilities include to carry out management tasks, while the last layer could be the production staff, and their accountability may include completing the tasks set by the managers. The chain of command is clear in this diagram. The senior manager have the authority over the middle management staff, while the middle management staff have the authority over the work. The diagram shows collaboration between staff and from different departments. They may be making decisions known as centralized organization, since decision making is performed by a very small number of people, or they may be informal organization, as they may become friends or share similar interests. The diagram shows the matrix structure, which is a flexible organization of employees from different departments within the organization, temporarily working together on a particular project. Moreover, this diagram sums up what we have talked about. It shows the level of hierarchy, where the top holds authority more than the bottom and are responsible for what the middle and bottom do. The top is also in command of the middle and bottom section. And lastly, this diagram shows the responsibility for the Human Resources Department. They are responsible for recruiting new staff, rewarding staff, as well as training staff, and more as shown.